Good morning, respected director sir, principal ma'am, teachers, and all my dear friends. Wishing you very healthy, clean world to all. I am Aditi from Blue House, and now I am here to speak about Van Mahotsav and its importance. From the beginning, our culture has been centered on nature. We have a strong bond with all of nature, especially trees. A celebration of trees is Van Mahotsav is held to recognize the value of forest in our daily lives. During the first week of July, each year, India celebrates Van Mahotsav, a festival dedicated to planting trees. The Forest Festival is another name for this day. In our lives, trees play essential roles. So, plant trees on this day. We almost have everything we need is forest. The purpose of this celebration is to raise about
Red House, and I'm calling Jennifer of Standard 10 for her speech.
Honorable respected director sir, respected principal ma'am, teachers, upright judges, and my dear friends. I am Jennifer from Red House and will bring speech on this special occasion of Van Mahotsav. Today, we are not just gathered to celebrate a festival, but to honor a lifeline. Van Mahotsav, the forest festival, is not just an annual ritual of digging a hole in the ground, placing a sapling, and taking photographs. It is a movement started in 1950 by Dr. K. M. Munshi. This festival was envisioned as a way to create an enthusiastic crusade against the destruction from our dream cover. Decades later, that crusade is more urgent than ever. Every breath we take today is a silent crying to the trees we may have never seen. Trees are silent, towering guardians of Mother Earth. They purify the air, absorbing carbon dioxide and releasing life-giving oxygen. They mine the soil, preventing devastating erosion and landslides that threatens communities. They provide home to multiple species on Earth, including birds, insects.
So let's make the world smiling by planting more and more trees. Good morning everyone, present of directors and principal ma'am, esteemed member of the management, honorable teachers and my dear comrades, including all teaching and non-teaching members of the family. I am Anand and I would like to thank a lot to all of you for endowing me with this aesthetic opportunity to express my views on this crucial occasion of Van Mahotsav. My friends, today we are gathered here to celebrate a festival that didn't belong to any nation, region, religion or culture, but to every single living soul on this planet. Yes, I'm talking about Van Mahotsav, the great festival of trees. It was a great inception of Dr. K. M. Munshi, and I want you all to give a great round of applause for him. Please guys. Now the question may arise in your mind. Why Van Mahotsav? What is the need of Van Mahotsav? And why do we celebrate Van Mahotsav? My friends, we need to know that we live in an era where concrete jungles is rapidly replacing green covers. We talk about global warming, rising temperature and erratic weather patterns, but we ignore the simplest but most effective solution that nature has given to us is trees. Yes, trees. They are the silent guardians of our planet. Consider what they provide us. They provide us with oxygen, and there's a fun fact which I want you all to know, that is, a single mature tree can provide oxygen for up to 4 people. Then climate control. My friends, they act as natural air conditioners, cooling our towns, cities and surroundings. And then biodiversity hubs. They provide shelters, foods, life to various kinds of animals, insects and birds. My friends, so you need to know, when we cut a tree, for purify air, oxygen and ease, for not letting the life to cease. If happy, healthy life we need. Thank you and have a very beautiful day.
Thank you. 3:45.
Let every sapling touch that sky. Let every dream grow strong and high. Together we place with heart and soul. Plant more trees, that's our goal. Honorable Director Sir, Principal Ma'am, respected teachers and the entire RBA family. Wish you a very warm, green and healthy morning to everyone present here. Well, this is Dolly from Yellow House. Would like to extend my gratitude and hearty thanks for giving an aesthetic opportunity to say something on this very special day before you. Today, I want to ask you one question. If trees could speak, what they say to us? Perhaps they would ask, why are you destroying the very hands that give you life? The year 2026 has reminded us that climate crisis is no longer a warning. It is our reality. Across the world, devastating floods, scorching heat waves, and destructive wildfires have destroyed families, displaced forests, and claimed countless lives. In India too, many regions have witnessed extreme rainfall, rising temperature, and landslides. These are not just natural disasters, they are the consequences of our
बस तमाशा देख रहे हैं दोस्तों सोचिए अगर आज हम नहीं जागेंगे तो जब हमारे बच्चे हमसे पूछेंगे कि आपने पेड़ों को बचाने के लिए क्या किया गांधी जी ने बात कहा था कि धरती
प्रबंधन समिति के समस्त सदस्यगण और मेरे प्रिय साथियों, आप सभी को स्वच्छ हरित और नवचेतना से बड़ी पूर्ण सुप्रभात। मैं प्राची चंद्र हरित सदन की छात्रा आप सभी का दिल से अभिनंदन करती हूँ। आज के इस महत्वपूर्ण और प्रेरणादायी अवसर वन महोत्सव पर मुझे अपने विचार प्रस्तुत करने का यह सौभाग्य प्रदान करने के लिए मैं विद्यालय परिवार की अत्यंत आभारी हूँ। धरती ने जितने बार इंसानों को पुकारा है, जब तक धरती ने इंसानों को पुकारा है, हर बार वृक्षों ने ही उसे संवारा है। हर बार वृक्षों ने ही उसे संवारा है। यदि आने वाली पीढ़ियों को हमें खुशहाल बनाना है, यदि आने वाली पीढ़ियों को हमें खुशहाल बनाना है, तो हर हाथ से एक पौधा लगवाना है। वृक्षों का इतिहास करोड़ों वर्ष पुराना है। सबसे पहला वृक्ष इस धरती पर करीब 38.5 करोड़ वर्ष पहले विकसित हुआ था और तब से इन वृक्षों ने हमारी धरती माँ को हरित, समृद्ध और जीवनोपयोगी बनाया है। मानव सभ्यता के प्रारंभ से ही वृक्ष भोजन, औषधि, फल और अन्य आवश्यक संसाधनों का प्रमुख साधन रहे हैं। इसलिए मुझे लगता है यह हम सभी को समझना चाहिए कि वृक्ष लगाना और उनके लगाने का दायित्व केवल हमारे सामाजिक दायित्व ही नहीं बल्कि नैतिक दायित्व भी है। इसी संदर्भ में हमारे समाज के कई महान हरियाली से महके हर द्वार, धरती माँ का करे सत्कार, बनाए हर आंगन को हरा भरा संसार। आप सभी को मुझे इतने प्रेम, आत्मीयता और धैर्यपूर्वक सुनने के लिए धन्यवाद। आप सभी का दिन शुभ हो।